Is this the top of the stock market for a while? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you what my thoughts are and if we're going to go lower, or do we go sideways again for another week, or do we go higher? So before we begin, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And real quick, don't forget about my $99 all-in-one package where you get my S&P email weekly trade zones. Also, you'll get my 8-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies I use, and also access to my private Discord, all for one payment of $99. But with that being said, let's jump right into the weekly watch list for April 23rd, 2023. Is this the top? Interesting. So we've broken out from this upper trend, right? This upper trend line a few weeks ago. We can't go anywhere. We're exactly where we were pretty much 2 or 3 weeks ago. We keep churning at these levels. And one of the things that I'm seeing is a mini divergence as we kind of have a double top here on the RSI. We actually have a higher high right here, right? But as of right now, the market is actually bullish on a market structure side. And what I mean by that is we're making higher highs, higher lows. But if we zoom in, we're actually bearish on a daily time frame where we're making lower highs and lower lows. This is the main level to watch right here. If we take out this 4110 level on the S&P 500, we're probably now going to get back into the triangle, right? This entire breakout wedge, you want to call it. And then we're going to break market structure shift, or we're going to have a market structure shift to the downside. Also, there's something else that I'm looking at that is actually kind of interesting. So watch this, okay? We keep having these here. Actually, I'll draw it from here, right? We keep having these channels, right? There, and then break down, another channel, breakdown. We're actually in another channel right now. If you want to say maybe we're starting to break down, we even had one here, right? So we keep having this same pattern happen over and over. Kind of rally up, fall, rally up, fall, rally up, fall, rally up, fall. Now, another thing that I want you to really take close attention to is this: a shoulder, a head, shoulder, and our neckline. Okay, so we actually have a potential head and shoulders that I guarantee you CNBC isn't telling you about, are they? There's a lot of things that I'm not in love with this market. We have big tech earnings coming up this week, so just something to be aware of. We will see if all of this plays out. But as of right now, it just feels like there's a lot of things going on in this market that is, the market is very complacent. The VIX is at 16. Nobody cares. There's so much fire or smoke going on around the world with everything, and the market just keeps going hard. I get it. I understand it. I'm a trader. I trade what's in front of me, but just something to look at kind of going a couple months down the road. So with that being said, let's take this week I'm actually bearish unless tech earnings come out. I mean, I'm just kind of on the fence still. We may have another do nothing week. So just something to be aware of. NASDAQ, kind of same thing. But look at this here. Instead of making a higher high, you made a lower high, and we're about to take out the prior low's high, right? We can even say, hey, we took it out here, right? Think about it. Higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows. We took out this low, And then we rallied, and that rally was just a lower high. If we take all this out, watch out below. And again, maybe tech does that. Real quick, crude oil back right into the middle of this zone. Nothing to see here. Not a big fan of crude oil one way or the other. Bitcoin / BTC, kind of breaking down, rolling back over. Huge divergence, right? Massive divergent. If we kind of look from here, is this maybe a precursor of the overall market to actually potentially collapsing? Now, I said I'm been bullish on Bitcoin. Kind of been correct on that for at least a few thousand. If we take out, listen, I'm going to say I'm neutral right now on Bitcoin. It had its chance to shine and it didn't shine. That's all I'm going to say about that. But again, I have a position that I got into about a month or so ago when I flipped, but that is a long-term position. If we come lower, I'll probably add slowly, but probably not till we get down to this prior lows of around the 17. But again, nothing to see on Bitcoin. Gold. Hold on. GLD. Gold kind of going sideways, maybe another bull flag. So keep an eye. If the market rolls over, gold may start to go again. Just kind of going sideways. Same thing with silver, just going sideways. Maybe a pullback. If you want to get long around this 22 level, I like it. It's a high volume node on the market profile. Also, let's now redraw these guys. Okay, and these are your fib levels to the downside if you're looking for anything. But with that being said, neutral there. And then finally, Apple, AAPL. Apple may be cracking. Look at this, right? Divergence here. Boom. Again, they have earnings this week, so very, very interesting to see what happens. Also, from this trend line, right, bounce, we're on the back side of it, may look like it wants to give up a little bit. So does the overall market roll over? Listen, I think we're near the top. Again, I'm trading day by day, day by day. But bigger picture going into May, June, sell in May and go away. I totally think that's going to be the theme again this year. And I got a short. I got a big short position on that I've put on a few weeks ago. But that goes all the way out to September. And if I'm correct, I'll get paid, but I trade around that position. The position is just more of a hedge, but hopefully that helps, guys. As always, thank you. Make sure you guys check out my video course. Links are down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com. Also, trade zones are killing it in the Discord chat room. So till next time, we'll see you soon.